was founded by a group of Stanford graduates who saw the potential for a digital currency that could be used by everyday people in their daily lives. Their vision is refreshingly simple. Imagine using Pi coins to buy your morning coffee, pay for groceries, or split a dinner bill with friends, all from your phone, instantly and securely. It's about bringing the power of cryptocurrency to the masses, not just the tech-savvy elite. This simplicity and inclusivity have attracted a staggering community, over 60 million users, known as pioneers. These early adopters have been mining and accumulating Pi coins, patiently waiting for the day when their digital assets would gain real-world value. The excitement and anticipation have only grown as the network expanded across continents and cultures. For several years, Pi operated within an enclosed mainnet. There was no trading, no cashing out, just a focus on building a secure, robust network and verifying users through a strict KYC process. This phase was all about laying the groundwork, ensuring that the network was safe from bots and fraud, and that every user was a real person. Throughout this journey, the Pi community has been the backbone of the project. Volunteers, developers, and everyday users have tested features, built apps, and spread the word, all while preparing for the moment Pi would finally open up to the wider world. Their dedication has helped shape Pi into more than just a cryptocurrency. It's become a global movement. That long-awaited day has finally arrived. In 2024, Pi Network launched its open mainnet, a major milestone that now allows users to transfer their coins and, for the first time, see Pi listed on cryptocurrency exchanges. This transition marks a new era for the project, turning years of anticipation into real opportunity. The launch of the open mainnet has sparked massive excitement, hope, and speculation throughout the crypto world. Social media is buzzing, and communities are celebrating what could be the next big thing in digital currency. But the biggest question remains: when will a major exchange like Binance finally list Pi coin, unlocking the value that millions of pioneers have been waiting for? As the world watches, the future of Pi Network hangs in the balance, and its next steps could reshape the landscape of cryptocurrency forever. The crypto world thrives on digital clues, where every transaction, every wallet movement, and every new integration can spark waves of speculation and excitement. In this fast-paced environment, even the smallest hint can set entire communities abuzz, as enthusiasts and analysts alike try to piece together the next big move in the industry. And recently, all eyes turned to Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, as rumors began swirling about its potential involvement with the Pi network. The Pi community discovered wallet activity on the Pi mainnet that looked suspiciously like Binance setting up shop. This wasn't just idle chatter. Eagle-eyed users noticed patterns that matched how exchanges typically prepare for new listings. Blockchain sleuths noticed a new wallet making small, precise transactions, classic exchange testing behavior. These transactions, often overlooked by casual observers, are telltale signs that something significant could be brewing behind the scenes. Screenshots from the Pi Block Explorer and leaked development images showed features like Support Binance Connect and Support Binance P2P being tested in the Pi wallet. These features are not added lightly. They require careful planning and collaboration between both platforms. These integrations are strong signals of a deepening relationship between Pi and Binance. If true, this partnership could open the door to new opportunities for millions of Pi users worldwide, making Pi more accessible and tradable than ever before. While neither side has confirmed anything, the evidence is compelling. Crypto communities thrive on transparency, but sometimes the biggest moves happen quietly, with only digital breadcrumbs left behind. In crypto, actions often speak louder than words. The community knows that when exchanges start testing wallets, it's rarely just for show. It's a precursor to something bigger. Exchange wallet testing is a standard step before listing a new coin. It's a crucial phase where technical teams ensure everything works seamlessly, from deposits and withdrawals to security protocols. For Pi's millions of pioneers, this is the clearest sign yet that their patience may soon pay off. The possibility of a Binance listing has injected new hope and energy into the community, fueling discussions and dreams of what's to come. The anticipation is reaching a fever pitch, as everyone waits to see if these digital clues will finally lead to a major breakthrough for Pi on the global stage. What does all this mean for Pi users? Think of it as seeing a new megastore being built in your neighborhood. Binance's wallet activity suggests they're preparing to support Pi coin. A Binance listing would be a game-changer, instant credibility, liquidity, and access to a global audience. Pi coins mined on phones could finally be traded for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even cashed out. This would also attract developers, fueling new apps and services in the Pi ecosystem. For Pi, a Binance listing could supercharge growth and real-world adoption. It would silence critics who doubted Pi's value and validate years of community effort. While nothing is official yet, the signs are hard to ignore. The Pi community is closer than ever to a breakthrough. Securing a Binance listing isn't a stroke of luck. It's the culmination of years of relentless effort, vision, and strategic planning by the Pi team. From the very beginning, the team set out to build not just a cryptocurrency, but a robust ecosystem that could stand the test of time and scrutiny from the world's top exchanges. The open mainnet launch in 2024 was a pivotal moment. It didn't just mark a technical milestone, it symbolized Pi's transition from a closed network to a fully tradable asset, ready for integration with global exchanges. This move shattered previous limitations, opening the doors for millions to participate in the Pi economy. Today, Pi boasts a staggering 60 million verified users worldwide, making it one of the largest and most engaged communities in the crypto space. This massive user base isn't just a number. It's a powerful signal to exchanges that Pi has real demand and a vibrant, active ecosystem behind it. Pi's robust KYC process is another cornerstone. By implementing strict identity verification and compliance standards, Pi ensures that its network is secure, trustworthy, and ready to meet the regulatory requirements of major exchanges. Beyond compliance, the Pi team has nurtured a thriving real-world economy. They've empowered developers and entrepreneurs through the Pi App Studio and a $100 million ecosystem fund, encouraging innovation and the creation of decentralized applications that add real value to the network. Events like PiFest 2024, where thousands of merchants accepted Pi as payment, have demonstrated that Pi isn't just theoretical. It's being used in everyday transactions, proving its utility and adoption in the real world. Strategic technical partnerships, such as with Banxa for KYC and wallet creation, further highlight Pi's ability to scale and integrate with established financial infrastructure, paving the way for seamless onboarding and user growth. The introduction of new wallet features, like the ability to buy Pi directly with fiat currency, signals Pi's growing integration with traditional finance and its commitment to making crypto accessible to everyone. Every step, mainnet launch, user growth, ecosystem development, and strategic partnerships, has been carefully orchestrated to build a rock-solid foundation for a top-tier exchange listing. Each milestone brings Pi closer to mainstream recognition. With all these elements in place, Pi is now positioned for the big leagues, ready to make its mark on the global stage and compete among the world's leading cryptocurrencies. Binance wallet rumors have electrified the Pi community. Social media is buzzing with optimism as pioneers celebrate what feels like a long-awaited breakthrough. For many, this is more than financial. It's a collective achievement after years of daily participation. Pi pioneers see themselves as co-builders, not just investors, deepening their emotional connection to the project. But excitement is tempered by realism. Seasoned members remind everyone that nothing is official until Binance or the Pi core team confirms it. They urge patience and caution, warning against rash decisions based on speculation. The community debates profits, technology, and long-term utility, reflecting a mature, thoughtful group. This blend of hope and skepticism keeps expectations grounded. The journey isn't over, but the destination, a major listing, feels closer than ever. The community is ready, but staying level-headed. No Pi discussion is complete without the Global Consensus Value, or GCV. The GCV, famously pegged at $314,159 per Pi, is a community-driven dream, not an official price. Rumors of back-end code referencing this value and Binance price feeds have fueled speculation. Supporters see it as proof the team aims high. Critics call it unrealistic, given Pi's massive supply. Some say the code is misinterpreted or just a placeholder. The GCV debate splits the community visionaries versus market realists. Whatever the outcome, GCV adds intrigue to the potential Binance listing. Despite the excitement, real hurdles remain before a Binance listing. Pi's blockchain code isn't fully open source, a must for major exchanges to vet security. A comprehensive third-party security audit is still pending, another industry standard. Neither Binance nor the Pi core team has officially confirmed listing plans. This silence keeps everything in the realm of speculation. Onboarding 60 million users is a massive technical and support challenge for any exchange. Binance must ensure its systems can handle the surge in new accounts and trading. A large user base is an asset, but integration requires careful planning. Until these hurdles are cleared, a listing remains just out of reach. The next steps are critical for Pi's future. While waiting for an official listing, Pi coin trades as an IOU on several exchanges. These IOUs are placeholders, not the real Pi you've mined, and you can't deposit or withdraw them to your Pi wallet. IOU prices are purely speculative, reflecting what traders think real Pi might be worth. Prices have swung wildly, sometimes hitting 40 cents, sometimes more, with huge trading volumes. This market offers a glimpse into expectations, but it's disconnected from the real Pi supply. Pioneers should be cautious. IOU prices don't guarantee what your actual Pi will be worth. The true test comes when open mainnet deposits and withdrawals are enabled. Until then, the IOU market is just a speculative barometer. Let's separate fact from speculation as we wrap up. Pi Network's open mainnet is live, and its massive KYC-verified community is real. Real-world utility is growing, and technical upgrades continue. Binance listing rumors are compelling, but still unconfirmed. The GCV is a community narrative, not an official price. The next big signals: an official announcement, a third-party security audit, and open source code. Millions are watching, hoping their patience pays off. Whether Pi launches at cents or shocks the world, its debut will be historic. For now, the community waits, watches, and believes in a currency for everyone.